Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. We just returned not too long ago from an adventure in the Canadian Rockies and had so much fun. We are home now and actually returned to some like fairly warm weather, which may be shocking because it is snowing up a storm today. It feels never ending. Like literally, I just said this yesterday. So the plan is really just gonna be to like get out and enjoy the day because it has been so nice out since we returned from the mountains. Like I'm talking, you know, plus 10, 15, which may not sound warm to all of you, but for us at this time of year, that's great. And we really just want to like make the most of these last beautiful days of fall. I think the winter is coming. So with this crazy amount of snow and the road conditions outside, I will not be adventuring today. So sorry about that, but I just thought this would be like a nice time to, I don't know, cozy up and embrace the snowy winter weather and just sort of like sit down, chat with you guys a little bit and do some unboxings. So before I get into that unboxing, I'm just gonna like share with you guys a couple of things that I've been loving lately. I am gonna be doing an entirely different video for a holiday gift guide. So there will be some ideas maybe here in this video, but this is just kind of like me rambling. So hit that like and subscribe button and stick around if you're looking for some like really good gift ideas for travelers, especially gift ideas that can like go back and forth, you know, travel and stay home, because obviously we're not all on the road right now. I've got some good ones coming your way, but I did just recently pick up this candle that I am truly obsessed with. Now, this is actually from like a boutique store here in Edmonton called BLING. I will link their Facebook in the description. I believe Facebook is where they're like most active, but it is so freaking delicious. It smells so good. And it is from the Pure Living collection, Lucia number 6, fresh fig and wild ginger soy candle, which sounds exactly like something that I would not love at all. But yeah, I was sold on it and I am not upset about it. I also ordered a few other candles from Indigo, which has been like Indigo Chapters has been a spot that I've been doing a lot of ordering from recently. And they have these like luxury scented candles that smell so good and go on sale, I want to say pretty frequently. If you know anything about me, you'll know that I'm like a pretty strictly sale shopper. I love good quality, but like I don't always love to pay for it. I don't know what that makes me sound like. I guess that's like the point of my travel business as well, is doing luxury things on a budget. So it all comes full circle, but yeah, Indigo's had some really good sales lately. So if you are into like scented candles and you are looking for like soy candles and things that are a little bit better for you, check those sales out. And then also just recently came in the mail from Koffee Beauty, which I'm also obsessed with. I'll definitely mention more about Koffee Beauty in my gift guide because I absolutely love them. But I just got this new, well, new to me, mint scrub that I have been waiting to try. So I'm so excited that that has finally arrived. I don't know if it's obvious by like those first two items, but I've been really into like the self-care recently, just like with everything that's been going on in the world. I don't know, like how have you guys been? Have you been okay? Are you hanging in there? I feel like my emotions go on such a roller coaster from like day to day. There'll be a couple days where I'm like super motivated and ready to work and like just loving life and leaning into quarantine and all those fun things. And then there'll be days where I'm just so over it and like the whole self-care, wellness, you know, like thing. I've really been trying to work more into my life so that I could just like stay relaxed, feeling zen, all of those fun things. So if you have any like recommendations on what kind of things you do to just like get out of that funk, I would love that. The next thing that I actually picked up is some holiday like Christmas bulbs for my Christmas tree, which I am so excited to put up for you guys and just like move into the holiday spirit. I'm not there yet, don't worry. I know that like a lot of you guys are in the US and still have Thanksgiving. Like Christmas might feel a little bit further away for you than it does for me, so I'm hanging in there. But these bulbs are so pretty and they are like handmade here in Canada. And I'm gonna show you this one. So this is like one of the ones that I got. Ooh, is that focusing? So pretty. And this was also from BLING. They had like a really great sale on. They have a bunch of really great sales actually that happen pretty frequently. So yeah, I would definitely recommend checking them out. And I'll share like all of those Christmas bulbs with you guys in my Christmas video, but I wanted to share that one specifically because I just fell in love with it. I am also trying to really like embrace the holidays this year because this will be my first Christmas season where I'm not home with my family in Ontario. I'm gonna be here in Alberta, just, you know, because of, you know why. So I am gonna be here. So I've really been trying to like prep myself to decorate and really like get excited about my first sort of like solo holiday situation. Derek will be at work because he works over Christmas this year. So yeah, you might find more holiday content than normal here on the channel this year, but hopefully it brings you guys the same amount of joy that it brings me, or that I intend it to bring me. And that brings me to my little clothing haul. I found this amazing sale for RW&CO. I don't know if that's a Canadian company specifically or not, but like I just love the quality of their clothing, and they have a lot of like business wear. That's sort of how I started shopping with them, was when I worked in like an actual business office. Now I work from home, but I fell in love with their like dressy track pants sort of situation. They're like trackers that you could wear to the office. They're so comfortable. Absolutely love them. And then a lot of my like more dressed up around the house loungewear comes from there. And now that I'm doing so many meetings on Zoom, I have been ordering a lot of really cute just like button downs and things like that from them, so that I can like be presentable and not be on Zoom in my pajamas all the time. So in this round, I got a couple things that I'm really excited about. This first one, so cute. This is normally $70 and I got it on sale for $15. Love it. I think it just like, it falls really nice, and it's like, it's kind of cropped a little bit, but not so much that my whole like midriff is out. And yeah, I just really like it. And I think this color works really well on me as well. So yeah, I was really excited about that. And it's like, it's just something a little bit different. I was kind of thinking like for New Year's or whatever, I might wear it. So fun times. And then they also had their little summer tank tops or whatever, like their casual summer tank tops on sale. Normally $40 and this was $5. And it's upside down. And it's just like a little V-neck, cute little thing. And then this one here, which like anytime, cause I love to sleep in comfortable, like little strappy tank tops. But a lot of the times the ones that are like good quality and really comfortable are like fairly expensive. Like this one was normally $26 and it was on sale for $5. And like, yes, you can get just regular quality little tank tops for $5 obviously, but they're not as comfortable. But then I don't want to spend $26 on a tank top, you know? Does that make sense? Do I sound really cheap? I don't know. But anyways, just good business sense to buy good quality things on sale for the price that you would normally pay for normal quality things. Right? And then speaking of which, I also got a pair of jeans that are high-waisted. They're normally $90. I got them on sale for $20. And like, again, so cute. And they really hug me like up around, you know, this area. So all of that lockdown weight that I have gained is not quite as obvious, which again, I love. And then the final item that I got here is just like a really cute little flowery dress with like a little button up in the front. Ever since I got my hair cut really short, I have noticed that I look a lot better with like a little neck situation going on than I did when my hair was really long. It never really worked for me, but now I'm really digging it. And this one was, I don't know if I just said this one was $90 on sale for $17. But I've also really been into lately in like the theme of self-care, just kind of like getting up in the morning and dressing up to make myself feel better and to make myself feel like a little bit more professional and like I have something to do or somewhere to go even if I don't. And I found that like dresses are actually the easiest way to do that. It's just one item of clothing. So like if all I have to do in the morning is get up and throw a dress over my head and then be super comfortable all day, then why the heck not? So yeah, does that make sense to you, or is that just like a me thing? Either way, it does really seem to help with that whole like, you know, wellness, self-care thing. And also just like gets me feeling in more of a productive mood to be dressed. I feel like throughout lockdown, the one thing that I have noticed is that like if I get dressed like in going out clothes, not just like track pants and a t-shirt in the morning, and if I make the bed, I'm like 50 times more productive, you know, and have my coffee, of course. But that's gonna be it for me for today and this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and didn't mind just like sitting down and unboxing and chatting a little bit with me because yeah, I just needed something to do on this blizzardy, awful day. Hopefully things change gears and I'm able to take you guys out a few more times before our next lockdown. Fingers crossed, because I am filming this a little bit in advance. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stick around for more. I will link anything that I feel will interest you in the description down below. And until I see you guys in my next video for my official holiday gift guide, which you're not gonna wanna miss, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you then.